Hi guys, it's Miss Simon. So I wanted to make this video today to help you guys out with science. Okay, so remember we've been talking about you guys just took a quiz on energy in plants. Okay, and when we talk about energy in plants, it all has to do with something. Remember we call photosynthesis. Okay, and we can kind of think back for photosynthesis. Remember, photosynthesis is the leaves are capturing the sunlight, and the sunlight is being turned into food and stored as sugar for the plants to use as energy. Okay, and remember we can think back and we know what the equation for photosynthesis is. We know we need carbon dioxide and water, and that gives us sugar or energy and oxygen. Okay, so that was just kind of a review. So today we're going to kind of discuss how now we've learned about cellular respiration and when we've learned about photosynthesis, now how are those two connected together? Okay, because as you guys have seen, there's a lot of things that are in cellular respiration that are also in the process of photosynthesis. So we're going to see today how they're connected. All right, so let me share my screen. All right, so today we're going to talk about energy flow. So in your notes, go ahead and write that down, energy flow. All right, so photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both cycles, okay? They cycle between one another, okay? So go ahead and write that down. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both cycles. And we can think of a cycle as something that kind of repeats itself. It goes around and around. So photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both cycles. Make sure you have that in your notes, please. All right, so on the next page, we're going to see how they are cycles. All right, so if we look at this, we know that this top picture is going to be photosynthesis because we're talking about a plant, okay? So let's kind of think back what we need for photosynthesis to occur. Well, we put in carbon dioxide and water, and what we get out of photosynthesis is that sugar, which is the energy, and oxygen, okay? Now this connects to cellular respiration because now we as humans and animals, we take that sugar and oxygen that the plant is putting out, and that's what we need for cellular respiration. So we're taking that sugar and that oxygen that the plant's putting out, and we're taking it and we're creating energy, carbon dioxide, and water. And then if we see here, well, plants need that water and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis to happen, okay? So we can see how one causes the other, and it's kind of one giant big cycle, okay? So as humans, okay, we need plants and plants need us. So plants need animals and animals need plants for that cycle, for this whole cycle of energy to continue. Because what plants give off, we take in, and what we give off, plants take in. Go ahead and please write this down in your notes. Draw this picture and put the things that you need in and what you're getting out of photosynthesis and what you're putting in and getting out of cellular respiration. This picture is probably the most important thing in this whole entire unit, guys, seeing how these are connected. So please put this down in your notes. All right, so animals use the sugar and oxygen made by plants to make carbon dioxide and water. And then plants take that carbon dioxide and water and they create sugar and oxygen, which then the animals take in and then the plants put out. Okay, so it's one giant cycle, guys. Okay, so go ahead and add those two things to your notes, please. Okay, so plants store the energy of sunlight and animals release it. So plants, again, plants take in that sunlight, okay, and they make their sugar and energy, and they release the sugar and energy and the oxygen, and then animals and humans, they take in that oxygen and that sugar, and they release carbon dioxide and water, and then the plants take in that carbon dioxide and water. So again, the materials of both processes, they're recycled. Okay, the materials of both processes are recycled. Go ahead and add that to your notes. So from this, guys, we can kind of see that both cellular respiration and photosynthesis are cycles, okay? And we need plants as much as plants need us, okay? Because if the one or the other didn't exist, the whole cycle would break down and it wouldn't happen, okay? So we need plants and plants need us for this cellular respiration and photosynthesis cycle to continue. All right, guys, so I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you later. Bye.